Hi, welcome back to the Micromark Workshop. Today I'm going to show you Excel's dual flex cutter that we sell. Double blades. Can be opened and closed by rotating the screw on the side, and the blades get closer and closer and closer together. And that's about 1/16 of an inch. It comes in a plastic storage box with an extra set of 2 blades. And now I'm going to show you how well it cuts. Now I'm going to open it wider and cut a larger strip. Rotate the screw counterclockwise until you get to your desired dimension. Now you can use a gauge and gauge exactly how far you want to open. So we're going to open it up 1/2 of an inch. There we go. That's awesome. Available at micromark.com.